In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Google Sites. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to personalize their Google site with their own domain name, giving it a unique and professional touch. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, make sure you are logged into your Google account and already have a Google site created that you want to connect with a custom domain. Once you're ready, navigate to your Google site. In your Google site dashboard, look for the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to access the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Custom Domains. Clicking this will bring you to the Custom Domain Setup section. This feature allows you to link your custom domain directly to your Google site, making it accessible through the domain name of your choice. Once you're in the custom domain setup area, you'll see an option to start setup. Go ahead and click on Start Setup. This is where the magic happens, as we begin the process of associating your custom domain with your Google site. Next, you'll need to have your custom domain ready. Whether you've already purchased a domain from a registrar or you're planning to do so, you'll need the domain name handy. Once you have your domain name, simply paste it into the provided field. This step connects the chosen domain with your Google site, allowing visitors to access your site through this personalized web address. After pasting your domain name, follow any on-screen prompts or additional instructions to complete the setup. Sometimes this might involve verifying domain ownership or configuring DNS settings with your domain registrar. If specific actions are required, don't worry, Google Sites usually offers guidance throughout the process to ensure you're on the right track. Lastly, once everything is set up, take a moment to visit your new custom domain to confirm that your Google site is successfully connected and accessible. By doing this, you'll ensure that every detail was configured correctly, and your visitors are now greeted with a custom branded website. And there you have it, you've successfully added a custom domain to your Google site in just a few simple steps. This straightforward process not only enhances your site's professionalism, but also makes it more memorable for your audience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your digital projects.